Good day everyone. In the video, we are covering the 5 best cameras on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without this buying guide. Now, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is the only entry in our best camera list that's aimed squarely at vloggers, and if filming yourself for videos on YouTube or similar is important to you, then it's well worth considering. Although based on Sony's RX series of high-end point-and-shoot cameras, it comes with a number of features to make vlogging that bit easier. For instance, it has a swiveling touchscreen LCD screen that opens on the side rather than vertically, so it doesn't get in the way while filming. And it has several specialist modes, including one that smooths out skin and one that swiftly switches focus from person to product. There's also a directional mic and an included wind muff to improve audio performance. Autofocus is generally good and the 4K video and 20MP stills are high quality too, but image stabilization isn't the best. If you're shooting on the go, a DSLR or mirrorless camera on a gimbal will be a better bet. Still, it's well priced and can also act as a webcam thanks to a firmware upgrade. Reasons to buy. Powerful yet easy to use features. Very good quality video and stills. Excellent AF. Very good quality audio. Reasons to avoid. May not be versatile enough for advanced vloggers. Image stabilization could be better. Number 2. Our second best pick is Canon EOS Rebel SL3. At less than $700, and that's with a lens, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is one of the least expensive DSLRs that can shoot 4K video. More than that, though, this camera, which is aimed at beginners, is also very small and light, and has a bevy of in-camera guides to help novice shooters. We also like the EOS Rebel SL3's articulating 3-inch touchscreen, which makes it easier to take photos from odd angles. In general, this camera takes good photos and video, but its internal image stabilization is only moderately effective, and its hot shoot doesn't work with third-party flash units. Also, this model is aimed at beginners, so it has a limited number of autofocus points and a fairly slow shooting speed. But, for the price, it's a great DSLR for those new to photography. Reasons to buy. Fully articulated touchscreen. 4K video. Excellent battery life. Reasons to avoid. Modest AF points. Not compatible with third-party flash units. Number 3. Our third best pick is Canon EOS R6. The Canon EOS R6 is the most expensive camera on this list, but it's also the best overall. That high price means it won't be the best camera for everyone, hence why it's not number 1, but if you can afford it, it's an easy recommendation. A mirrorless camera with a 20MP full-frame sensor, the R6 excels when it comes to autofocus. In our testing, we found it to be unerringly accurate when tracking subjects including fast-moving pets. It can even lock onto a dog's eye as it runs and stick with it, and we have the photos to prove it. Its built-in image stabilization is almost as special. With the right Canon lens on it, it can give you 8 extra stops, and even without it's good for 5. In our testing, we regularly got sharp shots handheld at 2 or even 4-second shutter speeds. Plus, it's brilliant in low light, with images shot at ISO 6400 showing hardly any noise. We took perfectly acceptable images at 100 and 2400. On the minus side, 20 megapixels may not be enough for everyone. Video is also a slight negative. It shoots 4K at up to 60 frames per second, but overheating issues mean it can only do that for 30 minutes or so. If you favor stills over video, though, and can afford the $2,500 body-only price, it's hard to beat. Reasons to buy. Magical autofocus. Class-leading image stabilization. Superior low-light abilities. Crisp and detailed stills. Handles well. Reasons to avoid. Overheats for 4K video. Resolution lower than rivals. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 40. The Mini 40 is more than just an instant camera, it's an instant camera in a seriously cool retro body. Alright, so that alone isn't enough to make it worthy of recommendation, but the fact that you'll actually want to take it out and show it off certainly doesn't hurt. Fortunately, Fujifilm hasn't forgotten the really important stuff here. The Instax Mini 40 is incredibly simple to use and takes lovely photos, with vibrant colors and good exposures. While it lacks the bells and whistles of some instant cameras, there's no smartphone app and it can't double as a printer. For instance, it's not without any features either. So, you do get a selfie mode, plus a constantly firing flash that gives it better skills in low light conditions. At less than $100, it's the kind of camera you could treat yourself to for a holiday or special occasion and have lots of fun with. Reasons to buy: excellent image quality, easy to use, cool retro looks. Reasons to avoid: pricey Instax film, no creative modes. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Panasonic LUMIX ZS200. Packing a fantastic, sharp 20MP 1-inch sensor and 15x optical zoom lens in a pocket-friendly body makes the Panasonic LUMIX ZS200 as the best camera for those who want to take great vacation photos, but don't want to schlep a larger mirrorless or DSLR around. This camera measures just 4.4 into 2.6 into 1.8 inches and weighs 12 ounces, so you can stuff it in a pocket with ease. The ZS200 has plenty of physical controls for its size, and still manages to pack in an electronic viewfinder, a must for those days when the sun washes out the camera's non-swiveling 3-inch touchscreen. We found that the ZS200 performed well in a variety of situations, including low-light photography. We were able to shoot as high as ISO 6400 without image noise becoming too much of a distraction. While there's no hot shoe, the camera does have a pretty robust built-in flash. And the ZS200 can record 4K video as well, which should get you some really nice vacation home movies. Reasons to buy: long optical zoom lens, compact, sharp electronic viewfinder and touchscreen LCD. Reasons to avoid: no hot shoe for an external flash, poorly organized controls and settings. That's all for now. Don't forget to check the links in the description below. That's all for now. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.